do the practice how we will submit our paper to the journals. Because sometime if we are not completing the requirement of the journal, our paper would be automatically rejected. This is one of our paper we want to submit. So first you can see, then you can do the practice. So suppose we are going to find the journal first of all, and we have a link for the journal finder. So in journal finder, I am interested for the Elsevier journal. The first link of that PPT or the list I have shared with you, right, during the session. So there is one option for abstract. So what I will do, I will copy this abstract and I will paste here and click on the find journal. Now you can see there is many journals. We will try to find a journal whose acceptance rate is high. This is just for our practice purpose. You may select any option. When we click on the acceptance rate, then the first journal, the acceptance rate is not given. In the second, there is no acceptance rate. The third journal, progress in the aerospace science. The acceptance rate is 67%. What I will do, I will click on the more options, and subject area is aerospace, mechanical, and mechanics of material. But my paper, if you check, is related to the sensing technology of a driverless car. So this journal is not relevant because subject area is different. You can see it is about the aerospace, aeronautics, material, vibration. This is the scope of this journal. So my paper is not mapped or not relevant to this. Then next journal is energy review. I think it is not relevant to my paper. Now, next journal, the green energy and intelligence transportation. As the name suggests, we can find some option for my paper. Now you can see if we check the recent article, then we can also find something discussion about the technology for the transportation purpose. So, and when we find the aim is to find the transportation powered by the green energy and the intelligence, new vehicles, transportation sector. So sustainability is also there. So I can relevant my topic with this intelligence infrastructure, sustainability, transportation, AI, new materials, energy, and transportation. Suppose I feel that this is relevant for my paper, then I will click for this option and it will direct me to the journal page. I will check the site score. Then second thing I will check about the indexing. Indexing we will find in about option, journal insights. Now, in journal insight, we will check the indexing. It is under the scopus and emerging in the SCI. So it is okay for me. Next thing, to check the guides for authors. We have discussed all these things. Now, in this, I will check the majorly thing that is the publication part because I just want to check about any fee. Otherwise, just find the EPC charges. There is no additional charge. There is no such thing is given about the APC charges because sometimes this journal is showing the open access. You can see here, this is the open access. So sometime in open access journal, some fee may be applicable. So we will check before finalizing the journal. If any fee is given and we are not interested to pay fee, then we select another journal. I think such instructions are not given. Yeah. So please visit open access page for more information publishing of the journal. So in the open access, we can check. Yes, you can see the APC is applicable. You can see open access journal have no subscription charges. If fee APC is payable by the authors or the institute, it means we have to pay if the journal accept our paper. For all the article fee is this. If you check for this amount, so it is a big amount. This one, about 2 lakh. So this journal is not appropriate for me. Then we will filter like this. Open access not required. Then again we can search. Yes. This sensor and actuators, if physical, this journal is suitable and it is under the subscription, right? So this practice we have to do. Then first option is to check the guide for author. In about, just check insights just to confirm about the indexing. It is under SCI as well as Scopus. To confirm the SCI, you can open the website of the Web of Science and just cross verify. This is journal practice and always used to do this practice. Yeah, this is the session number. I will copy from here and I will paste it. I think we have discussed all these things and it is very easy to. Now you can see this journal is under SCI. Yes. Now what we will do, we will select this option. Submit our article. Just closing all the links. First of all, we need to sign up here. If you have already your account in this particular journal, then you can directly log in. Otherwise, you need to register here. So click on the register here and then give your details. It will take few minutes, but we will complete so that we can easily uh, discuss all the things. Now, enter any username. Then you need to set your password. Password should be strong and unique. Then, eh, then title. Title is that is the initial name of author. Then email address you need to mention. Try to add your personal email because sometimes we are working in the private organization. Then if you leave the organization, now there is another link or CID. So it will automatically get the detail. Now, now you can see it is automatically updated. Now you can add your position, your organization. Organization is very important. Then main detail that is required, the name of the country. Whether you are available as a reviewer or not, yes or no, that is your choice. If you want to review the article, then you can click on yes, otherwise no. From the area of interest or the expertise, you have to select keywords. Keyword that is relevant to your area. No personal keyword added. So what you will do, you need to find like I want to add the autonomous vehicle, sensor, AVs. Then click on the continue. your institute could not identify because there is predefined organization. If your organization is not in this list, then you can continue, or sometime if you write a few words, first words of your organization name, then name will automatically appear. Yeah. Now we need to log in here, and we are you can say sign up for the author, so click on the author login. Yes. Now there is some requirement or few questions included here. Self report for your data. So if you are interested to give answer, then it is okay for you. Otherwise, you can opt this last option. I prefer not to disclose what is your gender, then about your reason. So if you are interested, then you can select a particular choice. Otherwise, you can submit it. Now it is submitted, and continue option will be active. Yes. So now this page is show that we can submit our manuscript now. We have created our account on the editorialmanager.com website for this journal. And the first option, submit new manuscript. This is the link to submit a paper. Here you will see three options at in the beginning. In the first option, we need to select a type of article. Research article, review article, these type of article this particular journal accept. So this is my review article. So I will select the review option and click on the proceed. Now, did you use AI generative to write this manuscript? If you use the AI, include the following statement. Declare if you use means sometime we need to use some analysis tool or any software AI based, then you can mention as a declaration in your paper. This is the this particular tool we have used to perform this type of task. Now, here we need to browse our paper. At the beginning, you can upload any type of the, you can say, suppose I am including the first, this one, title page. I will later I will delete this. Yes. Now you can see once we upload any one document, then it will show that what we have to add required for the submission. And now you can see earlier there was three you can say options. Now there is total 7 steps. In this step, what we have to add, we need to add the abstract in a separate document, a cover letter, graphical abstract, manuscript, and declaration of the interest statement. Because journalists, scholars submit the single article, but as per the requirement, we need to separate document. So what I will do, I will click on the abstract or this page, title page. Yes. Now the second thing, second is the cover letter. So just prepare a cover letter. You can see cover letter should be like this. Cover letter is just to introduce the editor that we are submitting this paper to your journal and what is the reason of submission. Subject is to submit the review paper on this. Dear editor, I am pleased to submit my review paper title this for the consideration for publication in your journal. Now, about the particular paper, this review discussed the rapid advancement in this technology. This article provides the overview of sense. We want to just convey our message to the editor for consideration of our paper for publication. Right? I believe this paper make a valuable contribution in the field of autonomous vehicle, providing the comprehensive understanding on the current sensor technologies. I hope you find it suitable for the publication. Then I would be grateful for any feedback and suggestions. For the then sincerely and your name. Then name of corresponding author, right? Now I will upload this cover letter. Select the second option, cover letter, and upload letter. Now you can see there is two documents, right? Now third is the graphical abstract. Graphical abstract is you can say a pictorial representation of the paper that can explain what we have included in the article. How we should prepare at present in this article, there is no graphical abstract, but we can find a graphical abstract for any another paper. Yes, like this. Suppose there is one graphical abstract for another paper. You can see this paper was joining of two materials with a particular welding technique. All the process of joining is given here. Then from this process, we get this product. This is the welded joint. And from the joint, we have performed the testing and we get the micro hardness profile like this, impact toughness like this, tensile properties represented in these three pictorial representations. So this is the complete representation of my paper. So we can upload this type of the paper abstract in the journal. We can take the help of uh, AI generating tool for preparing the you can say graphical abstract. So at this time, we can upload any picture just to you can say just to show the yes. Suppose this one we will upload. This is for any another. Now you will see it is uploaded. Then the manuscript. Now here we will upload the manuscript file. We will select the manuscript and upload your. This is the main paper. So I will upload. Right? Now last one is the declaration of the interest. Now you can see here declaration of interest. There is one option. So complete the declaration here and it will automatically download it. Now you can see here, start my declaration here. This research receive additional support from the organization. Is it applicable or not? This is not applicable in my case. Then I will click for the another. There is no financial support with me. If there is any support, then you need to write the name of organization or your detail. Then intellectual, is there any patent to disclose? No. Other activity, any additional relationship activity to declare? No. Review the declaration and submit. We have completed all these things, then submit and download. Enter your email address. Immediately you will receive a passcode. So just enter your email ID to get the passcode to download this. Otherwise, you can opt the no. I download without saving it. Because sometime if later you need this document, it will save in your email. If you select the without email, then it will uh, not saved in your email. Now, just from download, I will select this particular file. Yes, this is the declaration. And in this way, we have completed all the required document or upload all the document here. Now, the sequence should be the same. We have uploaded all the document in a sequence, then already the sequence is same. Otherwise, we need to change this order. Now, click on this. Now here, what is the requirement? You need to select the particular field for this manuscript, in which domain you will fit your, I will new application of sensor and actuators. Then suggest 3 reviewers, means we have to add 3 reviewers. What detail you require? The name, organization, email ID, and reason. For this purpose, prepare a list of the reviewers. Yes. And your list should be from the different, you can say domain. Domain means geographical area. Suppose there is one person uh, in my list from Punjab Technical University, right? So I will, uh, and all these persons should be expert of the same field, means domain should be similar and not from your supervisor or colleague. So when you start writing the name of organization, it will show you, yeah, this one. This is the university. Now their email ID. If the organization email ID you have, then it is okay. Otherwise, give any email that is available. Now, reason is expert of the same field is active reviewer. This is the reason. Then I will save this and add the second number. Right? You can select this. I will copy just email. I remember the name of. Yes. So name of the person I already know. I will just paste their email and organization is select this one. Now reason is working on similar research projects. Sometimes you can add any person that is you can say directly associated with you or with your organization. Then they never send the you can say paper for review to such persons. So make sure the people is not from your organization and try to consider one person from the outside. Outside means from the out of country. Now you can see in this way I have completed three reviewers. Then the next, all funding source acknowledged. Then no data was used in this research to describe in the article. Sometimes we have some data that is required to share with the audience to understand your paper. There is two options. If applicable, then you can select option. You can say accordingly. There is no data. In my case, then I will opt. Sometimes you have data, but data will made available on request. If only anybody will request you, you will provide the data. So accordingly select. So I am selecting the first option because in many researches data required. Now there is a comment. You can add any comment to the editor. Sometime if in attached file, if you can say uh, cover letter option is not there, then you can paste your cover letter here directly. It will visible to only the editors. Then proceed. Now in the last option, when we skip the comment option, so here we need to add the full title of our paper. So we will use to copy and paste from our document. So this is the complete title. I will paste here. Then next. Now abstract is required. So just copy the complete abstract and paste. There is limit. You can see limit is 500, but our abstract is less than 500, so it is okay. Sometime if limit cross, then you have to change your manuscript. Means you have to reduce, or you can say make your abstract within the limit. Then again you need to upload the file with the new you can say abstract. Now, important information about the corresponding author. The corresponding author will communicate with the Elsevier process publishing agreement. Then change author at the revision. These are the some conditions. So you can review the, no, you can just check your details. Is it okay? The name, your email ID, organization, and contributor role is required. So just click here and update this role. What you have done. This is the single, you can say, author article. Then it is there is option for save. You can click right now. Click on the next. Again, a funding information. So funding information is not available. If you have, then there is one option to add the sources. Click on this option. After this, click on this option, build PDF for the approve. When you click on this option, the publishing option will be open. Means in which type of the, you can say, access you want to publish, open access or the under subscription. So you need to select. This is our article. Yeah. Tell us how you want to work to made available, open access or subscription. I will select the under subscription and then save and return. Then click on proceed. You will see this is your article. Right? Now we have to accept here. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. All the details will be available here, and you will also get an email that you need to approve. Refresh 1 or 2 times. You will get few options here, and we have to approve our document. It will take a few minutes to make the PDF of the complete submitted information. So we will verify the information and then we will approve. Yes. Action link. You can see here, updated. Here, view submission, edit submission, approve submission. We have to approve, but before approving, we will verify the submission. So I will click on the first option. One PDF file will be downloaded. At the same time, one another thing you need to check, view the references checking results. This option. The PDF is downloaded. We will check later, just a minute. Just click on this option, view reference checking results, and you can see how many reference you have. Okay, it is in process. Here you can check how many references are not accurate or not, you can say from the good publisher. Now, this is the paper we are going to submit in the journal. Yes, this is the article, title, review article. These details we can check. Your details, suggested reviewers, right? Then this is the paper we have started. This is our abstract we have submitted. Then this is our cover letter. Then graphical abstract. Then rest of. After reviewing this, if you feel all the details are okay, this is in last you can see this is you can say declaration. Now, if you feel all the details are okay, you can approve the submission. Just click right click here in this option and then approve. But at present, I have added the graphical abstract that is not from my paper. Then I will click on the edit submission and I will upload the correct you can say abstract, and then I will again do the same practice and I will submit because this is not from my article, then I will remove. And after when I complete this, then I will submit. So this is the complete process of submitting the article to the journal. And this process is similar for all the top ranked journals.